All right, problem 6, 7, and 8 on the practice test, chapter 5. Finding the circumcenter, P, and the coordinate, the X, Z, and Y that go coordinates to it. So, with the circumcenter, you need to remember one thing, right? We're going to cut the sides in half. Okay? So, I just look at this piece, I come about halfway through it. Look at this piece, come about halfway through it. Look at this piece, come about halfway through it. Okay, and then connect the dots. Perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular, meaning I'm going to come straight up. Straight down. You'll find that, oh, they meet outside of the circle because this is a obtuse. If it were acute, it'd be inside. If it's right, it'll be on the line. Okay? On the hypotenuse. Okay? Now, there's some other lines we need. Right? There's some other lines we need. We need AP, right? Because this is Y right here. Y is this guy right there. This is Z, this is X, this is P, but we need AP, we need AC, we need, not AC, PC, we also need PB. Notice I have 3 different colors. Okay? Alright. Now, I can start putting in some things. AX, I know for one thing first, this is equal to that, this is equal to this, this is equal to this, right? So, AX is 6, right? AC is 4. That's that whole piece, AC is 4, right? BC is 10, that's that whole piece, is 10. And AB is 16. AP, that's supposed to be AP, is 16. So this piece is 16. Okay? From that I can get everything else. If this is 6, then this is 6. If this is 4, then this is 2 and 2. Right? Or let's write it as, that looks like a Z, so 2 and 2. Okay? If this is 10, then this is 5, and this is 5, right? If this is 16, then this is 16, and this is 16, right? Okay? Put all those numbers in so you know what's going on. This must be 12, right? Okay, so I got every number I need. Plug it in. Measure of AB. Okay, I got AB. AB is this guy, 12. The measure of AZ, 2. The measure of YC, 5. The measure of XP, I don't know. But I know that this is right. Okay? I know that this is right. It's perpendicular. Right? So I have this side and I have this side. And this is the hypotenuse. So I might want to, okay, long side C. Short side A, and then B. And so I have A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and I just plug it in. Substitution, right? So this is given. So this is a substitution. And I plug in A squared, looks like 6 plus b, looks like xp equals c squared, which is 16 squared. Okay? And then, so this would be 36 plus xp squared equals 16 squared is 256. Right? So that would be simplification, right? And then subtraction from both sides. Subtract 36, subtract 36, I get subtraction property of equality. So I've got xp squared equals 220. Then I take the square root of both sides. So square root property of equality, right? And so that means xp is equal to, and so I need to figure out 220 and break it down. Right? I know the square root of 220, and I could write that. That's great, but there's not going to be an answer on the ACT, on the SAT, so we got to break this down. 2, 1, 1, 0, right? 2. 2 goes into there 5 times with 1 left over. 2 goes into 10, 5 times again. Well, 2 doesn't work here. Does 3? Nope, because 5 plus 5 is 10. Does 5? Yeah. 1, 1. Does 5 work here? Nope. 7? Nope. 11? Yeah. Okay. I take my pairs, bring it out. What's left in the box is anything that doesn't pair up. 5 times 11, 2 square roots of 55. Bam. Okay? So that's 6, 7, and 8.